Welcome back. Today, we're going to simplify Bitcoin, the revolutionary digital currency. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's jump right in. Number 1, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency, like digital gold. It was created in 2008 by someone named Satoshi Nakamoto, but we don't know who that is. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin works on something called blockchain, which keeps it safe and transparent. Number 2, how does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin works through the blockchain, a public ledger. When someone makes a transaction, it's checked by miners, who are computers in the network. They solve hard math problems to confirm the transaction and add it to the blockchain. This process is called mining. Number 3, benefits of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has some cool benefits. First, it allows you to send money anywhere in the world instantly, without needing banks or governments. Second, anyone can join the Bitcoin network as long as they have an internet connection. Lastly, Bitcoin has a limited supply, so it can't be printed endlessly like regular money. Number 4, Bitcoin's volatility. But here's the catch, Bitcoin's price can go up and down a lot. It can change quickly in a short time. This can be exciting for some people, but it also means there are risks. The price of Bitcoin depends on things like demand, laws, and what's happening in the world. Bonus point, who is the CEO of Bitcoin? Bonus point time. Bitcoin doesn't have a CEO because it's not a company. It's a network created by people who use it. Instead of one boss, it's managed by everyone who uses it and a group of developers who make changes to its code. To wrap it up, Bitcoin is a digital currency that works on the blockchain. It lets you send money globally, anyone can use it, and its supply is limited. Just remember, the price of Bitcoin can change a lot, and it doesn't have a CEO. It's all about the community and the developers. That's all for today's video. If you found this overview helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.